This essential oil is distilled from the citrus-scented leaves of the subtropical lemon myrtle plant. Native to Australia, lemon myrtle has long been used by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people as a part of their diet. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the lemon myrtle essential oil from doTERRA in the 5 ml size. The common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, or topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. And then the main benefits of lemon myrtle is that it's relaxing to the mood and cleansing to surfaces and the skin. And so these are really great benefits of this essential oil. And then the directions for use are adding 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser to promote wellness in your kitchen, living room, or bedroom. Those are 3 really good locations. You can also use with doTERRA fractionated coconut oil and apply to your skin or reflex points on the bottoms of your feet, palms of your hands and breathing it in, or also behind your ears or under your wrists are a couple really good points as well. And then other than that, thank you for watching. That concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.